and I am going to close the compression ring until I feel that the piston rings are completely flat with the piston. You understand?
Yes.
And right now I am ready to introduce the piston from the top of the block, and other person in the back receive the piston. And now I will be here. You tight that one and you keep the piston in that position. The other person over there say to me, I am straight or not?
Yep.
Okay, pay attention. Now I introduce the piston a little, and with this I keep the metal flat with the block. Okay, right now the piston is over there and you are ready to put it back the cap. Pay attention. If during that process suddenly it's too hard, what happens?